Now let's modify our features. Let's do feature engineering. Now let's check all the unique values in size. So let's run this cell. So here we can see that few are 2 BHK and few are written as 4 bedroom. So we need all the values in same particular format. So we will remove this BHK part and we will remove this bedroom part and we will only keep it as 2, 4, 3, 4, 6. So in that format we'll keep everything. So we will create a new column in this data frame with the name as BHK. So for this we are creating new column and we are applying lambda function and we are splitting from the space. So after 2 we have space. So after splitting we have 2 values, so we are taking first value. So if we split it here, so 0 will be 2 and after space 1 will be BHK. So we are only selecting 0. So it means we will only select these values which are numbers. So let's run this shell. Now let's check our head again. So here we can see that we have created new column with the name BHK and here we have 2, 4 only integers. Here we had a string. Now it's integer. Now let's check total unique values in the square feet. Now let's create a function to check the range of area in the total square feet feature. So here we are creating a function to check float. Let's run the cell. Now we are applying this function on total square feet column. Let's run the cell. So here we can see that total square feet in different range. Here we have 2100 to 2850 and here we can see that it's in 34.46 square meter and here it's 4125 perch. So we have different formats in square feet also. So we will remove this format because it's not applicable, it's not suitable between other formats. We should have only single format so that we can predict everything accurately. Now let's convert this range into a number. So we will use this function to convert that into number. So here first we are splitting our total square feet and then we are adding both of them and dividing it by 2. Let's run the cell. Now let's apply this function to our data frame to our total square feet column. So here we are applying this function. Let's run the cell and let's check our data frame. So here we can see that it's 1056.0. It's in float format. So this is our total square feet. So now we have total square feet as float and bath as float, price is float, BHK is integer. So we have size and location which are in string format. So here we can see that we have price for complete area for total square feet. Now let's try to calculate price for each square feet, because sometimes suppose if someone wants to add a listing of house in Electronic City phase 2, but he has 3 BHK. So and he has different square feet area. So in that way we can calculate price per square feet for that area. So we need price for each square feet. So let's proceed further. So now we can create price per square feet column. So here it's DF price into 1 lakh divided by DF total square feet. So here lakh is equal to 1 lakh rupees. So here we have 95 lakhs. So it will be 95 into 1 lakh. So it will be 95 lakhs. We'll have 5 zeros after 95, and then we will divide it by total square feet. And we will create a new column called price per square feet. Let's run the cell. We'll also check the head of this data frame. So I'll press Shift Enter to run the cell. So here we have new column price per square feet. Now it is in rupees. So this price is in lakhs and this price is in rupees. And $1 is equal to approx 75 rupees.